Hi guys, you're at Alstone level crossing, Gloucestershire, Will Scriven. There we go. Now the time is 13:13 on Sunday the 12th of June 2016. This is for our slightly delay 13:10 to 10:49 cross country search from Plymouth to Edinburgh. And as you can see guys, work on upgrading this crossing is going underway now.
Where's it coming, Will?
That way. It's coming from that way.
Things, aren't they?
Yeah. Okay, we've got.
Can you see that, Will? Can you see it?
I can see it.
Where do you get it? From here? The train?
I'll read out the numbers.
As it approaches,
Um,
come down the track. Here she comes. I'll give you it when you get close, yeah? Are you ready, Will?
Yeah. Right, that was 2 to 1127.
Get it all in.
And
Thanks, Tony.
should be going up now.
There's another one coming.
It probably just takes a bit of the time to go back up. I don't think we're staying. But if we are, we are probably down for our 13:17, One Echo 38, Great Western Railway Service from Bristol Temple Meads to Worcester Shrub Hill. Probably.
From that way.
Probably from the same direction.
Same direction. So I'll keep an eye out. I'll keep an eye out and tell you in.
Yeah, I'll get the lights while we wait.
too?
Yeah.
You can see this light's actually tilted downwards slightly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. No, babe. Down a long time. Coming yet?
No, I can't see anything coming yet.
Yeah.
Here comes
Yeah.
the other one.
Come in.
It's at 150. Right, when it gets a bit closer, I'll go back over there.
Going slow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Go on then. Run it over there.
We've got 159.25, 159.25 to us just Shop Hill, and up they go.
Got what you need?
Thank you guys, I'll see you next video.